In industrial manufacturing, precision, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness are essential, and that's exactly where Vortec Cold Air Guns make a difference. As manufacturers face increasing demands for productivity and tool longevity, spot cooling technology has become critical for maintaining optimal performance during machining, drilling, grinding, and other heat-intensive processes. Vortec Cold Air Guns deliver a consistent stream of cold air to targeted areas, helping prevent overheating, reducing thermal distortion, and extending the life of cutting tools, all without the mess or cost of liquid coolants. This makes them an ideal solution for manufacturers looking to improve quality and reduce downtime in their operations. Using innovative vortex tube technology, Vortec Cold Air Guns convert filtered compressed air into cold air as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit, with no electricity, no moving parts, and no maintenance required. From machining metal to repairing plastics, these tools excel at spot cooling across a wide range of materials. Compared to mist coolants, cold air guns deliver clean, efficient cooling, enhancing tool life, surface finish, and part tolerance, all while keeping your workspace dry and safe. Vortec Cold Air Guns have proven to solve a variety of customer problems in industrial processes, including reducing costs and increasing productivity, solving difficult spot cooling challenges, improving machining, boosting production and quality, and achieving rapid cooling. Experience up to 36% faster dry machining, 50% longer tool life, and no coolant cleanup. Real results that improve your process and your bottom line. For more information on the effective and reliable cold air guns from Vortec, visit vortec.com.